Solve for x equals the quantity of 5 times x plus 3, minus 2 times x minus 8, set to 0. Set the equation to equal 0 to solve for x. This is the first row of the speech rule text-to-speech input. Subtract 2 times x from both sides. The result is 5x minus 2 times x plus 3. The result is 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 8. 5 times x minus 2 times x equals 3 times x. 3 times x plus 3 equals 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 8. 2 times x minus 2x is equal to 0. 2 times x minus 2x is equal to 0. 2 times x minus 2x is equal to 0. 3x plus 3 is equal to negative 8. 3x plus 3 is equal to negative 8. 3x plus 3 is equal to negative 8. Subtract 3 from both sides. This gives you 3 times x plus 3 minus 3 equals negative 3 minus 8. 3 times x equals negative 11. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. The result is negative 11 over 3. The answer is blank. X is equal to negative 11 over 3.